Today we are in the content writing realm. Say that 10 times fast. One of my absolute favorite things to get commissioned or, to be hired to do is to write blog posts. So the content writing realm is one of my favorite places to be. We are here today. Here is my go-to tool for doing it all. This is the best way to come up with, personally that I've found, the best way to come up with new blog post topics for any kind of client is, drumroll please, it's answerthepublic.com. This site is amazing, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. And it tells you what people are doing all over the internet. It tells you what people are searching for. Oh, and it's free. So it's a real dream for content creators and copywriters too. I use this for copy as well. So let's look into it just a little bit. Okay, so here we are. We're in the computer now. Wahaha. And here is answerthepublic.com. So it is this amazing free tool. I'm just going to do an example of how I might use it for a client that I'm working with right now. So we're going to discover what people are asking about. You can enter topic, brand, blah, blah, blah. You can see where they are asking about it. So I'm going to look in the United States because that is where my client is. And you can see these take track of all the Google searches and all of these. This is a direct line to your customer's thoughts. So it's super cool. So let's see. I write for, that was someone that I searched for earlier. Okay, let's see. I write for so new landlord. Let's see. I write for cool. Okay, so there is stuff you can get with Pro, but takes a little minute. Ooh, 46 questions. Okay, so this is what, pop-ups. This is what new landlords are looking for. So, oh my gosh, look how beautiful this graphic is. Okay, so we have all of these questions that new landlords are asking. So I write for a property management company, and they're always interested in what new landlords and experienced landlords want to do. So here are like a million things that I could pitch. 4 things that make a good landlord, right? Transitioning from an old landlord, right? We hear this. And then we could also bring in this. Do new landlords call old landlords? How to transition smoothly while the tenants stay the same. Ooh, yeah, good question. Okay, let's see. Who is a landlord of Queen Vic and East Tennessee? Sometimes people are asking that. That's so funny. So this has come up twice. So this is an interesting thing. I see, do new landlords call old landlords is both in who and in which. And I'm also noticing what happens when you get a new landlord. So that to me looks like it converges on 3 ways that people are searching. So that's going to be a really interesting blog topic. So 5 ways to easily transition to a new landlord. New landlord in town, 5 ways to make it easy. Stuff like that is something that I could pitch that is clearly on the minds of our ideal customer. And yeah, we're also asking a lot of questions about, can the landlord evict? Can the new landlord raise rent? I see it over here and I see it over here. Interesting. So we might want to say, we phrase that. New landlords. We could do like how to raise the rent, basically, because let's be honest, you have to raise the rent every time, but you don't want to go barging in. So like how to raise the rent without losing tenants. Ooh, that's a good one. So yeah, something like that. People want to raise the rent to keep up with inflation and blah, 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 and property taxes and all that stuff. So how to raise the rent without losing tenants. Ooh, I like that. So just from this really quick thing, I have come up with 2 pretty good pitchable ideas. And I could go back and I could even go. So like another thing that we do, let's see. Oh, another amazing thing you can do. You can download this as a like a Excel spreadsheet. So, and then you can come over here, see it here. Yes, will. Okay. Prepositions. Yeah, these are in here. Obviously, we just said. Oh, amazing. And then we can do preposition. So yeah, all of this, to, for, with, without. Ooh, comparisons. See, look at all this. New landlord tenant laws, right? Ooh, okay. Cool. Versus, and then we can see the data. Oh my gosh, there's so much good stuff in here. 201 alphabeticals. Oh, look at all these beautiful things. Cool. New kitchen, new keys. Oh, love it. Okay. All of this stuff came up so easily, so quickly. New landlord, 8 related new landlord laws. Ooh, introduction letter. That would be a great thing. Ooh, new landlord law. And again, the rent increase thing is coming up. So I'm really starting to notice, just like by scrolling through this, a really big pattern about that rent increase thing. So clearly that's something people are searching. Ooh, a checklist. That would be very helpful for a new landlord. And we're at the bottom. So related alphabeticals, 319 results for new landlord. Questions, prepositions, comparisons. Look at all this gold. So basically, you see how amazing this is. And boom, out of the computer, back into the full screen. Hello. Okay, so you can see how easy and how awesome that super free tool is. So the next time your writing client is short of ideas for blog post topics, you can pull this little trick out of your hat. See how impressive you can be with your insider knowledge on whatever you are writing about. So then you automatically know what their audience wants. Boom, you're more valuable, awesome possum. So thanks for tuning in to the Business of Storytelling this week. I'm Caroline Cole. Don't forget to follow on Instagram at Caroline Cole Stories, on Twitter at @CCole Stories, and like, comment, subscribe, all the things here. I have to say YouTubey things because it's very important. All right, see you guys next week.